Mary, attack!
Ow!
Attack, Mary! Attack!
Mary!
Get him, Mary!
Look how big those ears are. Literally the size of my hand.
Putting a blindfold on and going to the pet store. And whatever the heck I touch, I gotta buy.
Look at that starfish right there.
Who is this?
That's me.
I'm gonna scoop all 4 of these fish at once. Check out my stand. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do probably the quickest animal feeding I've ever done on this channel. So enjoy.
Hi, little baby.
Oh, hi, Mary. It's great to see you this morning.
Want a little bit of food? Here you go, Mary.
Gosh, reminds me just like Kevin, huh?
Uh-huh, but much worse.
We got Mango eating over here, and then of course Lady May over here. And here you go, goats. Everyone's eating. Mary, attack!
Ow!
Attack, Mary! Attack!
Mary!
Get him, Mary!
Mark!
Get him! Hello, all my kids. There you go. 11 pigs in this enclosure, and it's a beautiful, beautiful enclosure. Hello, everyone. How is everyone doing over here in the duck enclosure? Now, 2 days ago, I just went out and put flyers up for Gary, our missing Chinese goose. I'm hoping we get some word back from anyone. Literally, it could be anyone with clues, tips, information. Maybe someone has the goose still. I don't know. It's a never-ending mystery, I guess. If you guys aren't familiar, Gary went missing, and we made a whole video on explaining. If you want to watch that, the pop-up banner's at the top. But these guys are doing good. Enclosure looks fantastic. And definitely more ducks and possibly even Gary 2.0 on the way. I might have to get a whole squad of Garys now.
Good morning, big old coon and our wild hog.
Finally got you guys your own feed bin here. Here you go, now split up. Look at the size difference. This coon is humongous.
So are those ears, though. Look how big those ears are. Literally the size of my hand.
Now that the entire farm is fed, we can officially start today's video. Let's get some lights on. Inside of our 1,400 square foot fish building, we have this 165-gallon predatory fish tank right here, freshwater. This thing we're gonna get fish for very soon. We're still letting that cycle up. We have a quarantine tank here now. I got a bowl in it because I just filled it up with water, but literally got a full quarantine tank for freshwater fish. Of course, our axolotls. Last video, we transferred our other axolotl, our other female, in with the other 2. You can see the gold albinos back there, and then the bluegill leucistic is over here. It's a big old 75-gallon tank, and we got all 3 of them in here now with a bunch of different hides as well. Of course, the incomplete but awesome soft-shell turtle pond that leaked when I've turned the water fountain. It had a leak, and I have yet to fix the leak. I need to silicone it all again. And then, of course, our turtle tub over here and our quarantine turtle tank. So things are coming together slowly. We did just finish the epic Mata Mata tank in our last, I think, one of our last videos. Lots of things falling into place here, but we still have some of the biggest projects to go in here. We have a big saltwater pond we're gonna do over here. We have more ponds probably over here. And of course, our 5,500-gallon freshwater pond right here. This is the biggest project. And I've kind of been putting it off for multiple different reasons. This is not a cheap job to do. And to be honest, I just have yet to really get into that. I've made a couple phone calls, but not enough. This is off topic, but I have 2 9-foot fake trees that I also want to purchase for inside here. They have branches, they kind of branch out and go throughout the whole building. It'll make sense, I guess, when it happens, but that's a $1,000 project. We gotta wait until, you know, maybe we stock it up a little bit. Of course, our mantis shrimp is doing fantastic. Just chilling under there. Right, buddy? Let me turn some lights on for you this morning. Blur the screen. This is a video coming up soon. And you might be asking yourself, how's the wart skin? The crazy looking anglerfish we got. Well, I'll tell you what, I got rid of it because it was boring as hell. In one of my last videos, I mentioned to you guys that the fish just was kind of really boring. So I brought it back to the store and I wanted to get something new for it. I actually told you that I was probably going to do that just because every time I walked up, roll a couple clips, it literally would just sit there. And I feel like if the anglerfish was bigger and we can have cool feedings, it would be dope. But it was really small, so I decided someone else that would actually want that fish could buy it. Today we're gonna get something even cooler for this tank, something that's a little bit more interesting other than the anglerfish that just sat at the bottom of the tank. I want like a lionfish or something like, wow. This is a really nice tank and it's just completely empty. So today I have the challenge of putting a blindfold on and going to the pet store, and whatever the heck I touch, I gotta buy for that tank. Of course, if it's able to go in that tank, if that makes sense. So we're heading to the fish store and we are going to do exactly that. Blindfold fish shopping. What are you doing, Mia? Let's go to the fish store. Come on. Woo! I've got my blindfold, and Brenton,
Yeah.
I need your help. Brenton's here, and Brenton's gonna walk me down the aisle so I don't. Brenton?
Get him, Brenton! Get him!
Holy gosh,
The blindfold
I almost
works.
died. Yeah, the blindfold definitely works. I can't see anything. Walk me.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna go
Yeah.
this way.
Yep. I don't believe you because I already know the door's left.
No, no, no. Okay.
Oh.
I see.
You
You got entrusted.
All right.
All right.
Andy's going to be very curious what we're doing today. All right, it's time. I'm here at Andy's shop. We're gonna put the blindfold on. Brendan's gonna do his thing.
Here we go. I'm gonna give you a nice spin. You're gonna go straight. Straight. That way. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Be careful what you touch. Be careful.
All this.
No. That's not gonna work. No, see, that's not in the challenge. We can't do that, Tank.
Can I just reach my arms around? But what I touch, we have to buy.
Yeah, whatever you touch, we gotta buy. Except for this. We already said that.
Okay. Oh. Who is this?
That's me. All right, you're going.
All right.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I feel tanks.
Okay.
I'm feeling with my elbow, by the way.
Okay.
I'm feeling with my elbow.
Okay. Yep, nope. What are you? Is that an item you're selecting?
The whole,
Whatever's in this.
everything.
Everything that's in it.
We want to buy it all.
I don't remember that being a rule.
Is there anything in there?
There's a lot in there.
What about this?
Nope, nothing in there. There's 4 things. You want all 4.
Are these all different tanks?
No, you can't touch those.
Oh.
Dang it, you already had a selection.
All right.
Which was here.
Yep. Okay.
You're stuck with that.
Don't know what it is.
I'm not gonna tell you until you're done.
All right. So we purchased this.
We're purchasing everything in here, you said.
How many are there?
4.
Oh.
So,
All right.
all right, straight. That's me.
Oh, technically I just touched that. Where's the camera?
The camera's, it's
This is the most difficult thing I've ever done in my
right.
life. You gotta kinda
look to your right a little bit, right there. Yes, that's
Hey, Caferos, welcome back to another video.
wrong way. This way now. The camera's over here, right here. There you go.
Tell you what, I don't know where I am, nor what I have been touching. We're gonna ignore that, because that felt like the corner of a tank. So we're just gonna move on. How is he standing here if this is a tanks? Tanks, correct?
Yes, that's me.
God, it is so trippy walking through here with no one. I have to be careful what I touch.
You gotta be no. Be careful. Don't touch it unless you want it. It's this one you touched first.
Is that capable of going in my aquarium?
Yeah. That.
Is it right here?
No, that's it. Yeah, that's actually right there.
That's beautiful. I am on the money.
Can we be done now before you spend any more money? Or we sort of max
Sure.
out? Okay.
Should we keep going? No, we'll
I
stop
would
here.
say that's
Especially
pretty good.
since you said there's 4 things.
Yeah, you got 4 in the other tank.
Yeah, we'll stop. But I tell you what, right over here it feels real nice.
Nope, there's nothing in there. That's empty.
What is this?
Yeah, that's empty.
You lying to me?
Nope.
Oh my goodness, dude! I did not think I was right here. I thought I was on the totally other side.
No. Well,
That is trippy.
I'll take you back up front and then show you what you picked.
There actually is nothing in that. That's sad.
No. You know, he did better than expected.
Did I pick a freaking Bristol Star?
No, you did not pick a Bristol Star. He's struggling.
That too.
He's having a hard time. All right, we're gonna go this way to your first.
All right, this is interesting.
Your first item that you
First
chose.
item. Okay, I don't even remember where it was, to be honest with you. I knew that was this tank because I went like this with my arms. I knew the saltwater coral tank.
Okay, you came all the way over here.
Oh, now I'm rerouting myself.
Now you're rerouting
We
yourself.
did a nice little circle.
You chose them. Ta-da!
Little tiny damsels of some sort. They're kind of cool.
Yeah, they're all yours now.
Really nice. Love those. Actually, I'm kind of stoked with those
I
because
was
the
gonna
tank
say,
size is perfect.
Yeah, that works out well.
And they're nice little schooling fish, you
I
know?
thought it was just gonna be 1, but it's all. So.
all 4.
And then
Four
you
of them.
chose this, which
Nothing.
there's nothing in there.
There's nothing in this one. But I did get 4 little
You got
fish.
4 fish.
4 fish, and then I walked
You walked this way.
this way. Oh my gosh, why couldn't I have
You
touched
could
that?
have touched that.
Why couldn't I have touched that puffer fish, dude? Oh, you're beautiful, buddy.
Over here though,
Bristol Star.
no, the starfish, not the Bristol Star.
Oh, the chocolate chip.
Yeah, if you want to do that one.
Chocolate
yeah.
chip. we're gonna go
I
with the
was
chocolate
gonna say
chip. And I
chocolate
think
chip.
chocolate chips are honestly cooler than the other ones, so we're
A
gonna do that.
so you got 5 items total.
And we don't have coral, so the chocolate chip is actually a starfish that will eat coral. This tank doesn't have coral.
Even better, he cannot eat coral.
We are just so much fun.
That was fun?
Yeah, let's
I
do
think
one more.
if this were to get a specific
Let's do
amount.
one more.
Oh, well, no, we're on a budget. Paul, there's nothing in there.
Dude.
50.
$1,000
Okay.
budget, 30,000 likes, and we're coming back with a $1,000 budget. How about that? Blindfolded. Don't even know what I'm picking. All right, I asked Andy to bag the starfish, and he said, "You want to bag it?" I said, "Sure, I can bag it." He goes, "You do whatever you want here." I'm bagging my own starfish. Listen, I used to work at a fish store back in the day, back in the 90s.
Back in Nom.
Yep, we don't need that much water for a star. Pick a good size one.
Okay.
A good size star. That is so sick. Look at that starfish right there. Chocolate chip star. What is his name, Mark?
Mark.
They call him a chocolate chip because look at all the little brown spots on him. Looks like little chocolate chips. All right, we got a chocolate chip star right there.
Yay! 2.
Yeah.
He might need a little friend.
I think he needs a friend.
I'll pick another.
Let's do another.
Oh, I found it.
Dude, right there in the back. Look at him.
Bro, I was looking at this one.
That. Oh, yes.
Look at these chocolates.
Yes. All right, looks like we got 2 instead of 1, so we got 2 chocolate stars. Andy, this part I'm not too good at. All right, we gotta get our fish now. So, Brenton, I'm gonna need you to get on your knee. Never thought I'd say that before. I need a stepping stool.
Finally!
God, goodness gracious. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. How you feeling down there?
I'm feeling great.
I'm gonna scoop all 4 of these fish at once. Check out my stand. Thanks, Brenton.
Yep, no problem.
That little sucker's smart. Oh, I got 2 of them. Holy moly, look at the colors. That blue and green look is crazy. Ready?
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Oh, now you can see the colors.
Yo.
Got another one.
I really wanted to get on my knees again, my bad.
It's fine. I don't need your help anymore. It's nice when you get to work at the fish store, too. You don't only just come and get fish. We get to have a little day at work. Boom.
There she is.
All 4 of those baby gills.
Baby Gil.
That is awesome. So welcome to the fish bagging corner. I was taught by Andy just a moment ago how to do this. I feel pretty cool about that, not gonna lie. Andy, I did it! I got the job offer?
You got the job offer.
Oh, check that out.
Good job, sir.
Thank
Good
you,
day.
sir. You can let go.
Sorry.
That was the blindfolding fish shopping challenge. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and if you want to see again more with a bigger budget, hit the like button. 30,000 likes. We'll do it. We got 4 beautiful, beautiful fish, and then along with 2 chocolate chip stars. Successful mission? I'd say so to myself. I've never seen this before. There's a long fin clownfish, and down beneath, you can see that is crazy. Another successful day. We got some stuff. Shout out to Andy, Aquarium Shop. There's the information if you guys are local. Definitely come check it out. He's always hooking it up, you know? We got the blindfold challenge scratched off the list. We're definitely gonna wanna do that more, so make sure to hit that like button for sure. We got a bunch of stuff. Let's go home. We're back. Oh my goodness, dude, I didn't even know you were in here. He shocked us both. Beautiful. I'm actually excited to get some life in this tank. It's been very dull. That anglerfish was very creepy and cool, but also very lame of a fish. I don't suggest anyone buying that fish. This is the anglerfish. It's time, buddy, it's time. Our blindfold fish are ready to go, and starfish. It's raining pretty hard, take a look. Hasn't stopped for the last like 7 days straight. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, it's stuck to the side of the bag. It was sitting like this. I move it, he's still stuck there. So we got the starfish we're gonna put in right now. Brenton, I'll let you do the, oh yeah, let me get one.
There he is. All right, little man.
We need to name both of these, by the way. So drop
that
a comment
one's sick.
down below, naming our starfish. Here we go. Oh my gosh, those are so dope. That right there is better than the port skin.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that shows way more color and characteristics.
Now, do you see the color that we're under this white light now? Can you see the green and blue? A little bit better under this lighting. These are such beautiful fish. Super stoked that I happen to touch these ones. Look at the net this guy brings. That's not gonna work, Brenton. There should be a small net somewhere, right here. I got many, many nets around here. That is not gonna work either.
Oh, you got a net.
That's the same net. Yes, this kid, man. Look at the green on them now. That is so dope. You can really see the color on them. Ready? There they go! Yo! Yes, bro! Yes! subscribe down below. I'm so stoked with that. That's 10 times better than the other fish we had. Look at them all lit up in there. Look at those fish in the back. They look so good. Nice bright colors. And then right in the front here, we have our 2 little chocolate chip starfish. 4 fish, 2 starfish. Be sure to drop some names down in the comments down below. I'll let you guys name them. Everything in here is great. We have a lot of progress to be made in here. I want to get like a couch seating area in the middle. I have a lot of plans for this place. Subscribe so you don't miss that beautiful predatory fish merch. You can get yourself some of that right there, PulkFailBrand.com. What one am I wearing?
Work hard, stay strong.
I'll let you sign off. Oh, we will see you guys on that next episode. Sorry, bud. I'm good. I'm good.